Purdue University is one of the largest public institutions of higher education in the country. We work as part of a larger data unit called Institutional Data Analytics and Assessment. We have grades, we have who's in class when, we have schedules and that sort of thing. We also have, for instance, every wireless transaction on our Wi-Fi network. We have every card swipe in every door, every dining swipe that anybody's ever done. We have housing contracts. We have when did you swipe into the gym? I began work developing what would become one of the most sophisticated digital contact tracing tools in the world. We have some of the foremost experts in privacy at Purdue in the computer science faculty. We were sure that when we did the contact trace, we were providing only enough information for the medical staff to do their job while protecting the privacy of the individuals, which is one of the main reasons that we decided to build it in-house. We made a contact tracing system to see where people are and when, so when they're co-located for long periods of time, so we know who lives together. We use their dining swipes to figure out who is regularly dining together. So the medical team always had very, very up-to-date information on who is at risk, who needs to be tested, who needs to be pulled out of their dorm and put into isolation housing. And we were just extremely on top of it the entire pandemic. We never had a major outbreak, and we were able to stay in person, which is a value proposition that our students really loved. A lot of these projects are slowed down because a data scientist needs to go to one place and then another place and then a third place, and the one thing that really gets people tripped up is, how do I do all of this work? How do I get it all in one place to do it all? We use VMware Greenplum to act as a gray box for all sorts of data at the university. It is one big box. Throw all the stuff into the box, and then it's all in one place, and my staff can just work on it. And if you have a wild question that's based on data that's already in there, we can just start working on it tomorrow. So we are working very actively with that team at VMware to develop new machine learning methods that will work natively in Greenplum, and that will enable us to work more quickly, because right now we're writing a lot of custom code. And that's just wear and tear on us that we're having to do that work. But if VMware does that work for us, then we can just focus on the data science and not on maintaining a bunch of our own custom code. The success we've had with Greenplum is because we just use it for everything. There's nothing holding us back.